In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a gallery smaller in Notion. Notion is an incredibly versatile tool that many people use for organizing their work and personal lives. One of its most appealing features is the gallery view, which allows you to present your data in a visually appealing way. However, you might find that sometimes, the default size of the gallery cards can be a bit overwhelming, especially if you're trying to condense information or adjust it to fit better on your screen. Luckily, Notion provides us with a straightforward way to adjust the size of these cards. Let's take a step-by-step look at how you can make your gallery smaller for a more compact and efficient display. To begin with, open Notion on your computer or device and navigate to the page where your gallery is located. Once you have your gallery page open, take a moment to look at the overall layout. Identifying the areas you want to adjust will make it easier as you proceed. Hover your mouse over one of the gallery cards. You'll notice that when you hover, a set of options appears at the top. This toolbar is where we'll make our adjustments. Click on the three horizontal dots in the upper right-hand corner of the gallery title bar. This click will open up the settings menu for your gallery view, allowing you to configure various display options. In the settings menu, look for an option labeled Properties. Click on it. Within this section, you can see the different elements that are currently visible on your gallery cards, such as tags, date, and any other property you've added. Here's a tip: by minimizing the number of visible properties, you'll naturally make the gallery appear smaller. You can choose to hide certain elements here by clicking on the small eye icon next to each property name. Any property that is not crucial to your immediate needs can be hidden to help streamline the appearance of your gallery cards. Now, for the most significant change, click on the Card Size option. Using the slider provided, you can adjust the gallery card size to small, medium, or large. For a more compact layout, slide the control to the left, selecting the small option. Instantly, you should see your gallery update with the new size. You'll notice that not only does this adjust the visual space each card takes, but it can also increase the number of cards visible on your screen at once. And there you have it, a more compact and manageable gallery view within Notion. This simple adjustment can make a big difference in how you interact with and perceive your information. By making these changes, you ensure that your gallery remains functional without occupying unnecessary space. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your Notion workspaces.